If you wake up feeling stiff in your lower back, or maybe your hips are locked because you're spending so much time at your desk, this morning stretch is for you. We're going to stretch and move and wake up your radiance before you give a single second of your energy to your to-do list. Stand up, feet wide, let's go straight into it. We're starting with space. So reach that arm way over your head, okay? Now don't just hold it, like sweep it. Sway the arm down across your knees and back up in a giant circle. So let's do it again. Reach, sweep, and open. We aren't worrying about the hips just yet. Just feel your ribs opening up. Beautiful. And we're going to switch sides. So reach. Beautiful, nice and sweep, and open, and do it a few more times. Remember to breathe into that side body space. All right. Now I want you to turn your toes out, and as you bend your knees into a deep plie, bend your elbows like a goddess pose. So pull them back so your chest shines. You might feel a really nice stretch in your shoulders. And now as you straighten your legs, shoot your arms up straight up to the sky and bend and squeeze and straighten and reach. It's a rhythmic pulse. You're building heat while you're open your heart. So let's do a few more of these. And if there's a little smile that's happening right now, that's awesome. And if not, give it to me. Yeah? It feels even so much better when we do it with a smile on our face. Beautiful. Okay. Next, I want you to put your hands on your hips and hinge forward with a flat back. So really feel that stretch in your hamstrings now. Okay? And instead of just dropping, I want you to circle your upper body. So lead with your chest and circle one side, down, left, and up. And engage your core here. You aren't just hanging, okay? You are doing it nicely in control. You're waking up your whole center. And we're adding a little bit of fluid movement here, a bit of a circle, feminine energy movement. Beautiful. All right. Fabulous. Now, this is where we get the blood pumping. So lunge to the side, then pivot. Beautiful. Into a front lunge. Then change legs, front lunge, and then open to the side. Okay? And we do it from here. We do 1, 2, 3, and 4. Beautiful. Keep going. You can support yourself with your hands on the floor if you need to, or you can keep them on your hips for that advanced challenge, or in front of you, whatever feels more comfortable. Feel those hips finally starting to say hello, good morning, welcome. Fabulous, beautiful. Shake it off. Okay. Now let's just sway a bit. You know, I like a bit of a nice hip sway. I don't know, it just makes me feel so good and feminine, and like it's so simple, but you know, we can engage our whole body to it. So we can engage our shoulders now as well. You know, whatever the music makes you feel. And let your arms be like water. So let them trail behind your body. How does your body feel right now? Can you feel the temperature rising, maybe? That's your metabolism and your energy waking up. You can close your eyes for a second and just feel your hips opening. You can put your hands on your hips. We've cleared the physical stiffness, now clear the mental fog. You aren't a robot who's prepping for a shift. You are a woman who's claiming her day. So feel the shift from I have to I get to. I get to move my body. I get to stretch. I have 2 functioning legs and a functioning core and 2 functioning arms. I'm so blessed. and grateful. And let it be fun. If you want to take a little dance break right here, just do it. This is your space. There's no right or wrong moves. This is just you creating energy with me now. So a little freestyle is always a good idea. We don't always have to follow rigid movements. Just freestyle with me a little bit, you know? Good, good, good. You can jump it out. You feel like jumping it out? Let's do it, all right? Nice. Remember when we were kids, we used to jump all the time and we became adults and then we stopped jumping. Why did we stop jumping? I don't know. This feels really fun. Good. Feeling it? Awesome. All right. Now let's anchor the physical stretch and movement to your identity. So keep moving, keep flowing, and just say these with me. Repeat after me. I want you to say it out loud. Doesn't matter if someone's around. It's super important that you say them out loud, okay? I am fluid and I'm focused. My energy is my greatest asset. I move with ease through whatever comes my way today. I am radiant and I am ready. Good. You aren't just ready for tasks, you are ready to lead, you are ready to be seen, you're ready to have a beautiful day because you moved your body, because you affirmed positive affirmations today, okay? Let's do it one more time. Let's solidify. I am fluid and I'm focused. My energy is my greatest asset. I move with ease through whatever comes my way today. I am radiant and I am ready. Ready to rumble. Sorry, couldn't help myself. You feel that? That's the difference between a boring stretch and just a nice somatic reset. So your hips are open, your core is awake, and your vibe is high. All right, I want to know which move was your favorite or which affirmation was your favorite. Tell me in the comments below. You can say morning. It tells the algorithm that you're here, but most importantly, it tells you that you're committed. So if you want to feel this every single morning, you know what to do. Come back here tomorrow or join my 7-day Feminine Flow Challenge, where we go even deeper into our somatic flow and reset, and where we do dance affirmations for 7 days straight, and we feel this incredible transformation on the back of it. So go on and have a beautiful day. I'll see you in the next one.